Unlock the power of Facebook ads by tracking every visitor on your Google Sites website. First, you'll need your unique Facebook pixel code. Head over to your Facebook Ads Manager, navigate to the Events Manager, and select Connect Data Sources. Choose Web as your data source and click Connect. Give your pixel a descriptive name, like your website name Pixel, and enter your Google Sites URL. Facebook will then generate your Pixel ID and installation code. Make sure to copy this code. You'll need it in a moment. Now, let's get that code into your Google Sites. Open your Google Sites website in edit mode. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon for settings. Click on it. In the settings panel, look for the custom code option. You'll see two boxes, one for the header and one for the body. We need to place our Facebook pixel code in the header section. Paste your copied Facebook pixel code directly into the header box. This ensures the pixel fires across all pages of your website. Once pasted, click the Save button at the bottom of the settings panel. Finally, to make these changes live, you need to publish your website. Click the Publish button at the top right, review any changes, and confirm the publish action. And that's it. Your Facebook pixel is now properly installed. You can verify its status in your Facebook Events Manager. You'll start seeing website traffic and conversion data flowing in, allowing you to refine your Facebook ad campaigns for optimal results.